it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. Merry Chrysler. Merry Christmas. I think I messed that last one up, but that's okay. So today we are going to be doing a what I got for Christmas video. I love watching these videos. I will watch them in like July 2012, what I got for Christmas videos in like July of 2018. I love watching these videos. You guys also requested me to do this video, so of course I was gonna do it. Just quick little disclaimer, I am so thankful for my friends and family and for every single thing that I got. And Christmas is not about gifts and things like that. I feel like the older you get, you realize that it's more about like family and giving than like receiving, if you know what I mean. I hope you guys don't think I'm spoiled and bragging, because that's not at all what I'm trying to do. I don't know why I do that all the time. I throw up peace signs for everything. I'm like, hey, what's up? How you doing? Just finished my test, filming a video. Why am I like this? Don't know why. We're just gonna get started. I always start out with my stockings videos if you guys have seen any of my what I got for Christmas videos. I also did a Christmas wish list video, so if you want to watch that, I don't know, probably don't. This is my stocking. My mom like cross-stitched this. It's two people kissing. She cross-stitched it when I was like 2, so this little thing's like 16 years old. I hated this when I was little because I thought boys had cooties and I didn't like that they were kissing. I still want a new stocking, but I do think that this is a masterpiece from my mom. If you guys have seen any of my Christmas videos, you know that my mom loves to Santa, don't know why I said my mom, I meant Santa. Santa obviously filled this, but Santa loves to fill this thing up with candy. First thing I got is this little candy cane and it has M&Ms in it. And then I also got this Mario Badescu like rose water facial spray. This was actually supposed to be for my sister, but it ended up in my stocking and I'm not giving it to my sister because I did want this. So, sorry sis. I also got the there's hair on it. How did hair get on this? My nose itches. This is the micro delivery exfoliating face wash from Philosophy. It's like one of my favorite like gentle skin exfoliators. And this is just a little like travel size one. Just kidding, it's not travel size, but like I have a giant one and I don't need that one because it like all the time because it's so big. So this is like a nice one. I have these Sour Patch Kids Fires. These are like sour, or obviously sour, hot fruit variety mix. Yeah, but I'm a wimp, so I don't know if I can eat these because I can't do spicy foods. Wimp. There we go with the peace sign again. I also got cotton balls. And then I also got these aloe infused fuzzy socks. You can never go wrong with fuzzy socks. I also have a candy cane and then some nice little pencils. Never go wrong with pencils. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Primer, so I really like the mascaras. This is the primer for that. And then I have 2 of these little Santa Hershey bars. And then just like a ton of these little, I got another candy cane. And like a ton of these little candies. There's more little candies. Oh, that was all that was in my stocking. Thank you, Santa. A family tradition that we have, a lot of you guys apparently have this too because I mentioned this in my last year's, and a lot of you guys were commenting that you have the same one. We open a present on Christmas Eve every year and it's always pajamas. I forgot to wear my pajamas. I bought this onesie from Target that it was in the kids section and it's like a hideous, like, well, it's not hideous, it's kind of cute. It's an owl and like I've been wearing it like 24/7, so I kind of forgot to wear these. They kind of look all messed up because my dogs tried chewing them up. These are the Raw Sugar Simply Body Wash Trio. So there's raw coconut mango, vanilla bean and sugar, and then lemon and sugar. Okay, I don't know if I should go into like the big gifts first or like not. You know, let's just do it. So in my Christmas wish list video, this was like the big thing that I asked for, and it was an Apple Watch. You guys watch the video. I didn't really want an Apple Watch for the longest time. I was like, they're stupid. I don't want one. And then a lot of my friends had one and they were talking about how cool they are, and I was like, I want one. So I asked for one. It's charging right now. I'm trying to like set it up and everything, but it's super. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Series 3 is the smaller one and it's rose gold and really pretty. We're trying to charge her. Going along with that, I got, wait, is there anything in here? I didn't actually open it. It feels like there's something in here. Anyways, this is the Transeska Apple Watch stand. I wanted something that would like make sure I don't like break it when I try charging it. So this is like a little stand that you just like put the charger through. It helps it stand up when you charge it. Thank you, Mom. I love you to death. This is another big thing that I got. I didn't think I was gonna get it. I uploaded my Christmas wish list video and probably like a week or 2 later I texted my mom and I was like, I know that there's like no chance I'm going to get this because the Apple Watch is expensive, and if you're gonna give me that, like there's no way you're gonna give me this. But just throwing it out there, I asked for the Beats Solo wireless headphones, the rose gold ones. I was not expecting this at all because I threw it out there, but I did not expect to get it. I was just like, maybe for like my birthday, just like have it in your mind that I want it. And my friend has one of these and I was like, oh, let's try it out. Love. Oh my god, I haven't even opened it yet. I'm so excited. I'm gonna edit my video with this. Thank you, Mom. I love you. My dad got me an Alexa. This is the Echo Dot Alexa. My parents are divorced, if you didn't know that. So like my parents used to have an Alexa, and when my parents got divorced, my dad took it. So I haven't heard Alexa's voice since I was like 16. So I'm like, really I'm like, what do you sound like, girl? He also got me these lights. So they're like clothespins, if you see that, and they light up and they have a remote. These lights don't have a remote. They like you have to like go all the way up to the ceiling to like change the setting because they just turn on different settings, and sometimes they like flash and like it seems like you're gonna get like a stroke. So yeah, that's really nice that these have a remote. Wish that girl did. This is something he gets me every year, and every year I eat it, like all of it, and that's so unhealthy. And this year I'm determined to not eat all of it. This is, oh my god, this is so much. A pound of Reese's. A little Scentsy warmer. This is apple pumpkin from Yankee Candle. Got me a Panera gift card. Thank you, Dad. Dad's parents, like my grandparents, they got me an Amazon gift card. Love that. Thank you. My aunt, she got me an Amazon gift card. I love Amazon, you guys. I'm so excited. I think my dad might have given me a Victoria's Secret gift card. It's in here. It's in this box. I don't know who got it for me. I think maybe my dad, so thank you. And then we do Secret Santa in my mom's side of the family because there's so many of us that it's like, you can't get a gift for everyone. We did Secret Santa. My cousin Eli got me. He's like younger. I think he's in like 1st grade. He drew me like a cute little dinosaur on the card, and I about like lost it. I was like, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. He got me a Sephora gift card and then a Scooter's Coffee gift card. So thank you so much. I will never say no to a gift card. I don't care where it's going on with gift cards. Woo! My mom got me a gift card to get a massage, which I'm really excited about. I've never gotten a massage, and I think about getting a massage every single day of my life because I like am old. Like I'm 18 years old, but my back is like 80 years old. My mom's fiance got me a gift card to Target. My mom's fiance's parents got me cash. I'm not gonna show it because that's just weird. And then my sister. My family loves to regift, and my dad got my sister and her boyfriend a Panera gift card, and then they regifted me that Panera gift card. So now I have like $100 to Panera, so thank you guys. I'm gonna be eating at Panera for the rest of my life. And then my sister got me 2 gift cards. She got me a gift card to the place I like to get my nails done, and the place she likes to get her nails done so I can get my nails and my toes done. Thank you so much. And then she also got me Sour Patch Kids watermelon. Love that. Thank you. I don't know why I went like this. That was weird. Both my mom and my sister work with children. My mom's a teacher. My sister works with like 3-4-year-olds, and one of my sister's like students, I guess, gave her the Too Faced Sweethearts Perfect Flush Blush and then this brush, and she regifted it to me because she doesn't wear makeup, and I'm not mad about it. And then my mom regifted this to me. This is an outlet warmer, so it's like one of those things you plug in the wall and you put like the little candle wax and it like melts it and it smells really good. I don't mind getting regifted things because I'm just great. I'm like, more stuff for me. My mom also, it's in here, my mom also got me a facial because I also asked her that because I just think they're really relaxing and my skin's not thriving. This is a blanket that my grandma got me. My sister and my mom went up there recently and I had to stay because college. My sister really liked this fuzzy blanket that she has, so my grandma got us both these really cute fuzzy blankets, and I will never say no to a fuzzy blanket. I want to cuddle with it right now. On the note of fuzzy blanket, one of my best friends, Allie from college, she is the best person I have ever met. Like, so generous. She got me and like my whole group of friends these blankets that are like cute, and they say our name on them and then our sorority Alpha Chi Omega. She got us custom blankets, you guys. She got us custom blankets, and she also got like us a loofah and like fuzzy socks and like all that kind of stuff. Oh my, she got me a custom blanket. I've been sleeping with it every night. It's so warm. So thank you so much, Allie. I love you to death. I feel bad I didn't get her anything because I didn't know she was getting a gift. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. So the rest of the stuff is just from my mom. My dogs chewed up the box to this, so this is just kind of like there, but there was a box and they chewed it out because they're like that. But this is the Micro Delivery Peel Exfoliator. It's from Philosophy. It's like one of my favorite like deep exfoliators. And then she also got me a pair of leggings. On the tag it says they're $88, and I was like, Mom, you are not spending $88 on leggings. Return these. And she was like, I did not spend $88. And I was like, thank God. I don't understand the hype about like really expensive leggings because they just get holes in them 2 seconds after I wear them. A while ago my mom was texting me and she's like, what kind of razors do you use? I'm thinking about switching my razors. And I was like, Mom, I'm taking a final right now. Can't talk. I knew that that conversation was for Christmas. So this is the Intuition Fab. It's the Skintimate little razor thing, and I love getting razors for Christmas. I love getting things that I normally have to pay for so I don't have to pay for them. Like if I got deodorant for Christmas, I would not be mad, you know? So the next thing I got was a steamer. I had a steamer in my dorm and then I broke it by accident. It split in half. It was a whole thing, and so I really wanted a new one because I use this all the time. So yeah, she got me a steamer and I'm so thankful. And then the last thing I got, you can see it right there, it's a lamp. But I needed a floor lamp for my dorm because there's no overhead lighting, so just windows. And so when at night it's really dark and all I have is a desk lamp, and that just gets really dark. So I asked for a lamp, and I think that's everything that I got for Christmas. I'm so thankful for everything that I got. I'm so thankful for you guys for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not already because I have a lot of really exciting videos coming up in the new year. Peace signs again. Someone please cut my hands off so I can't do a peace sign anymore. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to my friends and family and Santa. Love you, Santa. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.